Hi, rockers. Here we are with a lesson about countable and uncountable nouns, contables e incontables, and phrases. All right. We will describe a fridge, and this fridge is empty. Está vacío. Entonces tenemos que armar frases que no hay cosas. Let's see. There isn't any milk. No hay nada de leche. There aren't any oranges. Oranges. No hay oranges. There isn't any meat. Meat es carne en general, entonces podemos tener pork, beef, chicken, fish, ham. ¿Ok? Todos esos son types of meat. There isn't any meat, es incontable. There aren't any sandwiches. There isn't any ham or cheese. There aren't any bottles. There isn't any butter, no hay manteca. There isn't any mineral water. Okay, so poor guy, he has nothing. También podemos hacer preguntas. Is there any butter? No, there isn't. Are there any apples? No, there aren't. Is there any orange juice? No, there isn't. Are there any oranges? No, there aren't. Miren acá on the computer. Is there a dog? No, but not in the fridge, all right? Yes, there is. Here she is. Say hi to people. Yeah. Ahí está, te quieren saludar. Decirle, I'm learning English here with Carrie, with my mom, with my sweetie mom. Ay, she's shy. No quiere mirar a la cámara today. Bueno, keep on learning. Okay, bye-bye.